and welcome back to our Overland conversion on our orange Defender Moose, where today we're going to be doing lots of little bits and bobs. So we're starting off with
this. This is a little snorkel. It's an eBay special. Again, this is supposed to be more of a budget build than anything else. So we're just proving to people that you can buy a Land Rover Defender and build it on a tight budget. So this cost us £55 off eBay. We did have a special discount code, but even so today we'll be chucking that on there just to raise our air intake. And later on we have a big surprise.
a very exciting surprise, which involves a drive all the way up to the lovely city of Liverpool.
Yeah, we've got to go up to Liverpool, and yeah, that.
But that's
well,
a secret.
Yeah, we're not going to give anything away just yet. But yeah. So this is Louis. He's my friend from Nice. He's helping. He's very good with his hands. Oh, and there's Boris. Hello to the dog. Anyway, yeah, no, Louis is very good with his hands. He's worked on Dakar rally cars and stuff, so he's very helpful. And we've got the old. What is this? How would you describe this? Translation here. But yeah, anyway, right, we've got that out, and now we're gonna get the new silicone pipe in to get the new connector to the snorkel in and bits and pieces. Anyway, let's go.
Louis and Ollie have done all the drilling that they can do, and we've had to call the local garage because Ollie, why do we need to go to the local garage? We need some rivet pliers to mount it to the A pillar, apparently. So we're going off to the garage now to get those because we don't have them. So we'll have to go get those, and then will it be done, or more holes need to be drilled first, and then rivet pliers need to be got, and then we'll be done.
Yeah,
we're also missing a Jubilee clip. And then it's done. Right, so we've just got back from the garage, and they've put these lovely rivets into the A, what's it called? Pillar? I think that's the name of it. So they've done a very lovely job here, and now that's lovely and secure. So we are going to go ahead and put the actual snorkel on, and then it will be done. Right, so as you can see, snorkel is on, it's not going anywhere, and I have the lovely final job of putting the stickers on it, since, you know, I did a lot to help with the, you know, actual mechanicking part. So I'm gonna pop this one. Where does this one go?
I don't know, it can go either. There's one at the top and there's one.
Right, I'm gonna pop this one here then.
There?
Yeah.
Oh, they're quite nice stickers actually.
They're nice, aren't they? So with some expert, oh god, they're quite sticky as well. You have to be quite precise. That one. There we go. Sticker in. There.
done.